Batisi TV Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordar mapi nginwan ramani ha Khyrdop yeng jongpi
SVJ Foundation, in association with St. Joseph's Educational Services, are conducting career seminar cum educational fair on the 4th of June 2022. Register on 9436 11958 or walk in directly to the venue for further information. Kaseng Kongres hakasngit hoding jong kalai tarik ubnai jeleu arajar arpuar kala Kynnoh baka jingmi jong ki Khyrdop Khrong Khajna hasilin ter jong Surok Shillong-Nongstoiñ kala kata hado kata-kata yiki nongrep mbadi ki pat ba nong song snong jong kejela hakajing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Presiden jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ula ongru ba balai ki pat ba ki ngap jar-jar hado kat ni habakat keni ka jersey bamsap kala pa peleng henrai lajno tang ke Kongres ke bakdau kti persya hadu menta susu ula penpau ya kajing sngokhia halor kajing bamla ban sel tulop jong ke sarkar ya ke tulop jong kinong kai school ya kinong trei jong ke district council but what ya ke tulop jong kinong trei katenat ke kot ke khia.
You have seen that if you travel from here to Nongstoiñ, there's a series of gates run by the state government, series of gates run by the district council. All these will be cost to the consumers, cost to the farmers, cost to the public. So this is all corruptions, but why everybody is silent except the Congress is pointing it because everybody got a share out of it. That's why all this a series of things will happen. And I can tell you that if you look in terms of the economy, it looks in terms of economy. The government is not being able to pay the teachers, not being able to pay this council staff, even the salary, they are not being able to pay the health worker staff. So many things just come why the government is not going to collect revenue because of the corruption. Instead of going to the government's exchequer, then it has gone to some personals or some to the pockets. So this will be, we have a research team on all this. We are doing deep research on all this. We'll give you in our charge sheet.